Hello little friends, get ready for an adventure with Learn with Little.
A for apple. B for boy. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for heart. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for key. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for pig. Q for queen. R for robot. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Z for zebra.
Thank you for joining us little learners, and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep learning with us.